Unit 7. The Four Seasons. Listening 7. Read and listen. Four seasons in Britain. Spring.
In spring, the weather changes. One day it's rainy, then it's sunny and warm. There are lots of flowers and the trees are green.
Summer.
Summer in Britain is often sunny. Put on your sun hats. It isn't hot every day. Sometimes it's rainy.
Autumn.
In autumn, the trees are orange and brown. It's often rainy and windy. Take your umbrella.
Winter.
Winter is cold. It's rainy and it's windy. Sometimes it's snowy. Put on your coat and play outside. Let's make a snowman.